What's up, everybody? My name is Luke McDaniel. I work with Godwyn & Stone Real Estate. I'm here today at 99 Bogue Falaya, one of Brittany Picolo-Ramos' properties she has listed. So let's take a little tour and look at the house. Remember, this is Bogue Falaya. All right, now that we're inside the Bogue Falaya property, the bottom area is awesome. You can have a great little party area to get together. You walk over, you get the fireplace here, and then look at this view right here. You have great water right off the Bogue Falaya River. You have a seating area out there, kitchenette inside. Let's go upstairs and look at some rooms and see the views from upstairs. You're not going to want to miss it. Now that you followed me upstairs, remember we've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. I'm going to show you the master, and I can't wait to show you this view from the office. You're going to absolutely love it. Also, this area right here is so open, and it can just accommodate so many people. Any kind of parties or get-togethers you want to have with your family, it's going to be a great time. All right, as I promised, we're in the primary bedroom right now of the house. So right here, off of the side right here, you have your own deck, which is, I mean, it's amazing. You sit out there, any kind of late night, especially the cool nights coming up, it's going to be amazing. Then, you also has a his and her closet, or as in my case, it's all hers, so I get like a section, right? We're in the bathroom, right off the primary. What we have right here is a his and her closet. You can take your pick, but like I said earlier, mostly hers. So they're great walk-in. I like it, she'll like it, so I think you'll like it. Also, the office connects to a deck that overlooks the river, so anytime you want to walk outside, breath of fresh air after a long day, you just step right outside of the deck and still have the same view that you have inside the office. So if you're anything like I am, and you love the water, I mean absolutely love it, this deck right here, it opens up, and I'm telling you, the view on the river and the boats going by, it's amazing. So y'all come with me, let's go look at it. When you purchase this house, you get a 3-level dock, okay? You get a double boat slip, which is absolutely amazing. You just pull up, have a good time. And like I said, if you want to come and look at this house, 99 Bogue Falaya, call Brittany, and we're gonna make it happen. I hope to see you soon.